How can I round the numbers in easy way? Yes. Hello students, I am your math teacher Reem Ghazal. Today lesson is, how we can round numbers to the nearest requested place value. We will do a simple example to make you understand. Get ready. And let's go. Round numbers mean, find an estimate. Let's go over to some examples. First, round 72 to the nearest 10. 7 is the tens, so 2 going to change to 0. Now look again at the ones. If it's 5 or more, you need to round up. If it is 4 or less, you round down. Since 2 less than 5, we are going to round down to 70. Let's have another one. Round 78 to the nearest 10. 7 is the tens, so 8 going to change to 0. Now look again at the ones. As we said before, if it's 5 or more, you need to round up. If it is 4 or less, you going to round down. Since 8 is greater than 5, we are going to round down to 80. Let's have another one. Round 862,840 to the nearest thousand. 2 is the thousand. So, hundreds, and tens, and ones, going to change to zeros. Now look again at the hundreds. As we said before, if it's 5 or more, you need to round up. If it is 4 or less, you going to round down. Since 8 is greater than 5, we are going to round up to 863,000. So, today we study how to round numbers. I want you to watch the video again and write down on your notebook your own examples to practice. Just don't forget the main rule to round number. Whatever is the requested place value, you first need to look at the next less right digit. And if it's 5 or more, you need to round up. If it is 4 or less, you round down. Then, change the digits in right places to zeros. I hope you understand and enjoy our lesson today. This is your host teacher Reem Ghazal. Till we meet again, stay safe.